So this is all the hot chocolate that Melissa gave me. So many. Oh my gosh. At least I'm gonna be warm this spring season. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing video for you guys. This is the packaging sponsored by my friend Melissa. Shout out to Melissa. Thank you so much, by the way, for the package. Alright, let me rip this off so you don't see anyone's address. Okay. Here you go. Now, I don't have anything to open this, so give me a second. Open it with a pencil. Oh my gosh, this is me. Oh my gosh. And there's a Tweety bird in the back. And we have some hot chocolate. Warm chocolate memories. Okay. And then, what the heck is this? Holika. We have an egg. Oh my gosh. Okay. Seems to be some kind of like serum or moisturizer, because inside there's this, and you can pop open the yolk, and you got that. Huh. This is cool. It's a Korean brand. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can read it. Yeah. Some more hot chocolate, and then we have Oars and Alps. It's a wake up ice stick with caffeine in it. Open this up and oh, it's a little thing that you can put underneath your eyeballs, I guess. Okay, this is cool. And then we have Promise Keeper Blemish Sleeping Facial. 17% anti-blemish complex plus 15 antioxidants and brighteners, and colloidal silver and organic rose hip oil from Allies of Skin. Okay. Interesting. Right. Oh, seems to be like a little bottle that you just spray it. Yeah. Huh. Actually, let me try out some of it, because I actually need some. Oh, that's what it looks like. This. Okay, I give up. The camera's not focusing. Ooh, it's like a piney smell too. And we have Bonfire Brush Ultra Shea Body Cream from Bath and Body Works. This is the design. More hot chocolate. Melissa, were you just giving me away all your extra hot chocolate? Is that why you asked me? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I don't know what this is. Toni Mori. Taco po. I don't know. It's like a little octopus squid thing. Let me see if I can take it off. Oh, so this is like chapstick. Yeah. Definitely need that with these lips. Next we have this Geo Organic Acne Care Serum. Propolis. Yeah, I need that. I feel attacked, but this is like very much needed. Let's open it. So that's serum. Let me see. And then Murad Pure Skin Clarifying Dietary Supplement enhances internal defense against breakouts for clear, healthier skin with a star on it. I don't know. What does that star mean? These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Nice. Okay. More hot chocolate. How much hot chocolate did you try to fit in here? Oh my gosh. And we have Beauty Hack Turmeric Powder Enhance. Add a boost of turmeric to enhance your hair and skin's natural glow and radiance. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also help calm irritated skin and redness. So this doesn't say how to use this, but I have a step 2 without a step 1. So, as for what it looks like inside, it just looks like turmeric powder, honestly. Oh, okay, just take my word for it. Let's see what else we have. Woo. So we have 2 boxes of they're both in Juice Beauty, but one is a blemish clearing toner pad, and the other is a green apple blemish clearing is the name of it. Let's open this up and see what's in it. Okay, so these pads are dry. I don't think they're supposed to be dry, but they're dry. Continue until the pad feels dry. Okay. Okay, and then, oh, we have this cream. Smells kind of weird, and it's like all dark. Okay, I'm gonna cut this out of the video. Oh. Made with certified organic ingredients. Does that mean that this has an expiration date? Oh yeah, this expired in 2016. Okay, well, we're putting that away. So we have an AM blemish lotion. I should check to see if some of these have expiration dates too. Looks like this. Now. So it looks like this. Oh wow, there's glitter in here. Okay. And last we have Clinique Super Balanced Makeup Tenue Equilibre Parfait. This is like honey beige, dry combination to oily mix. Oh, is this supposed to be foundation? Oh, this is like primer. Oh. Is this the same skin tone as me? Well, thank you, Melisa, for all the gifts. Thanks for sponsoring this video. I'm excited to try some of these products. So, except for, yeah. Real quick, I just wanted to say thank you, Melissa, for everything, for all the gifts. I appreciate it all. And thank you for the lovely letter too. Like, I'm really touched. You don't even know. I'm really touched. Oh yeah. Merry Christmas. We're in February. Happy holidays. Wishing you a season of merry moments and wonderful memories. Hi Daika. I hope this helps your face. You need it. Your favorite, Melissa. Oh, thank you, Melissa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do need it. Thank you. I appreciate it.